Here we go. Oh, there you go. On you. Get it. Oh, shit. Cody, you get it. Go, man, go.
That's a better fish right there.
Yes, sir. There you go.
That's a better fish right there. Hey.
Holy shit.
Drive the boat.
Shit. Anya, I can't record with the phone. I'm sorry.
God damn. There we go. Number 3.
Hey, what?
God damn, that's a
What do we
big
do?
one.
Shit.
I got one over here. God, give me 4.
What do we do with the shit?
Ah!
It's just a little bluefin. Woo! Good shit.
It makes sure you get his cowboy boots there, because I guarantee he's the first person ever caught a 500-pound bluefin tuna wearing fucking cowboy boots. Oh, man. He's pinwheeling. He's going just like this. There you go, man. I just swing out. Ah! Probably just like a 500-pound bluefin. That's what I was saying.
Woo! She's running again hard.
Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Yes, sir.
I want to see this fish. Are you good again?
We're tight.
Tight, hold it. Reel.
I'm reeling. I can't. She's taking it.
All right.
It's full.
25 feet. All right.
Oh, whoa. God damn.
There's no gloves in this motherfucker at all. Anywhere. I don't think so.
Jesus Christ.
Can't see it. I got it. Right there. Right where you are. All right, motherfucker.
All right, watch that line. There you go.
All right. All right, Cody, come take this rod. Hunter and I got to pull this in together.
But that gap slips.
Cody, get on that gaff.
Watch that gap, man.
Ah, no room, man.
Watch. There we go. Woo!
Shit. On the top of the hatches, let me get a picture of all 3 of y'all.
Hit the yellow one.
Look how big the mouth is in that motherfucker, man.
I'm trying to open it.
Hunter, tell on you.